Still stuck with the two worst nightmares in metal cutting? A saw blade suddenly snaps mid-cut, sparks flying everywhere, leaving workers with no choice but to stop and replace it. A steel pipe, after being cut, has a crooked edge covered in burrs, requiring time-consuming secondary grinding that eats into your schedule. Or the bandsaw vibrates violently during operation, flashing a feed rate error alert on the screen, leaving workers stuck and unsure what to do next. Are you still dealing with these issues? Every blade break means 20 minutes of downtime plus $50 in wasted supplies. Every rough cut could double your post-processing costs. 90% of metal fabrication shops are paying the price for these problems. And are you one of them? But watch this. Our operator hits the start button on the bandsaw. The machine runs smoothly, and the steel comes out with a clean, burr-free cut. We might just have a solution that makes these headaches disappear for good.
1 more square meter cut.